Hello guys, I'm Anil. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's topic is ChatGPT, right? So I know you heard about that ChatGPT one, but today I'll give an high-level overview what exactly this ChatGPT and how exactly it works, right? So let me go to Google and type ChatGPT. I already opened that, and if you see what is this ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by openAI and released in November 2022. The name ChatGPT combines chat referring to its chatbot functionality and GPT which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of large language model. It's an AI large language model which has it's vast amount of data, right? So you can get, if you go to this OpenAI website, you can get more definition of it, right? See, you can see we have trained a model called ChatGPT, and which interacts in a conversational way. The dialog format make it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. So it's an like a language model and which has a vast amount of data, and you can answer all your questions. Like you can take it as your personal assistant, your friend, your teacher, your lecturer, because it can answer all type of questions, right? So this is like this is like definition what exactly ChatGPT is. And I just put some bullet point. If we go here, I just put some bullet points here. Write down some bullet points here. And what is it? It's an AI language model trained on a massive amount of text data that generates natural language response in a conversational style, right? And future of it, the store and other AI tools, it will seamlessly integrate with our computers, smartphones, and eventually become a full-time personal assistant, right? So you can easily access this ChatGPT through your mobile phone, a computer, and it can work seamlessly. And main benefits like it saves a lot of time, right? And also extending into fields outside your expertise, quickly get ideas off the ground and reiterate much more effectively. Definitely it will increase your productivity a lot, right? Synthesizing information, like it will summarize a large amount of content in a concise way, right? When you have a lot of things to cover in some minutes, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize all the contents within few seconds. You can get all the summarized, right? So content creation, copy, like generate new brand content for a specific topic and purpose. You can ask ChatGPT and it can generate a new brand content for you, right? Learning and research, you can ask any question to ChatGPT and ChatGPT can answer all this type of questions, right? Then coding also, it helps to generate code, inform programming concepts, API and debugging, right? So apart from this, there are a lot of things that ChatGPT can do. But as a high-level overview, I just put some points, right? Later we'll discuss all these things, like more about this ChatGPT. Now I just want you to go to this URL, openAI ChatGPT. I'll put this link in the description. You can get it from there. I just already opened this ChatGPT, and this is the home page of ChatGPT. But when you try to open that URL, you will get on sign up page. You need to click on that sign up and you can provide your email password to log into ChatGPT. I already logged in, so it's not showing for me. Directly I can see the chat bot here, right? This is the look like ChatGPT. You can type any text, like in send message text one, you can type any text. In the left side, you can create a new chat and you can see all the history of the chat in the left side, right? And this is your account and you can upload to Plus as well. But now we'll be discussing only for GPT-3, not GPT-4. All right. So let me ask something. Let me put in hi message. Hello, how can I assist you today? Fine. Yeah. Tell me something about What? Something about Odisha. Let's see how ChatGPT is generating. So see how fast it's generating all this like about content about Odisha. See how fast it's quickly. This is like really, yeah, some tool, yeah. Oh, nice. And grabs. Oh, nice. See, within few seconds of time, it provides a very high level overview of Odisha. You will see Odisha, formerly known as Odisha. It is a state located on the eastern coast of India. It has rich culture, historical heritage, as well as diverse natural beauty. Here are some key points about Odisha. It's provides the capital, language, historical significant festivals, art and culture, a lot of things you will see in 8 points itself. Like how beautiful this ChatGPT is. You can ask anything, like what is the capital of Odisha? Right? She, how answer your responding? The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, right? Anything you can ask to ChatGPT. Write a simple Java program. 6 hours generated. Certainly there. Oh my god. It shared the simple like hello world program for you. Right? So how fast and how quickly it is generating content for you. And whatever you can ask to ChatGPT. Right? So this is exactly, you first go to this URL and try to log in and try to put anything in your mind and ask ChatGPT. Right? In this way, ChatGPT can give answer. And if you are asking some interesting question, please put in the comment section how the ChatGPT is responding to it. Right? I think for this video, that's all. Later in coming video, I'll discuss more about ChatGPT. This is just an intro to ChatGPT. So I think this is okay for now. Later we'll discuss. All right. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.